Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be taking a look at this. This is a bench-made griptilian, and we're going to be going over some of the different ways you can deploy this guy. So let's hop right in. So if we start off here, we look at the blade, we can see this hole right here. And that's primarily how you open this knife. So one way you can do it is you stick your thumb in there and you, like that, nice and slow. If you want to be a little bit faster, you put your thumb in there and give it a flick, and that works too. My favorite way, though, stick your finger in that hole and finger it open, right like that. So let's see that again. Stick your finger in the hole, finger that sucker open. So how does this work? Well, let's take a little look at the insides of the knife. So inside this knife here, right here's called your pivot. I've got some bronze washers like this. These are made out of Teflon. If you want to make your knife super smooth and even easier to finger, you're going to take this apart, take the washers out, and you take some light lubricant, some oil, and you just rub it around the rim right there. Get that lube all in the hole. And put your knife back together, and then you can finger it a lot easier. So let's go over the technique again. You take your finger, stick it in that hole, and you finger it open. And that's how you finger a griptilian.